guys, and welcome back to another day and another video.
And welcome back to our channel.
And welcome back to another challenge. Hi guys, it's your boy Elston,
Mars.
and we are the M3E. Today we are doing What's in the Box challenge blindfolded.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today's game or the challenge is What's in the Box. By the way, what's going on, everybody? Alright, welcome back to our show and stay tuned. Alright, keep it. What if it's live?
Like spider.
Can I put my hand in?
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want you guys to open your mask, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure that everything is up. All right. Okay, so make sure you don't cheat, or else you'll be disqualified. All right.
Hey, what's the prize?
You don't need to know right now. All right. Go ahead and put your hand in and see if you can figure that out.
Oh, I know this one.
If you know, just take your hand out and then just ready for. No, you don't need to take it off. Just wait for my call.
What is this? I know what it is.
I know what this is.
I know it's
Okay, so Elston is done. Mars is done.
Oh, I think I know it.
All right, are you done?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so you can go ahead and take off your mask. You don't need to take the whole thing off. All right, fine, whatever. Okay, get ready. So, all right. So moving on to the next step of this challenge. All right. So we have 3 contestants. All right. So it looks like the first one was Elston. So Elston, could you or would you please kindly tell us what you think it's in a box?
Sausage.
Okay, that's your answer?
Stop looking.
All right. We'll wait till everybody's turn is finished, and I'll let you guys know if it's if you're right. Okay.
Okay. No.
All right. So the second one is Mars. What did you think is in a box?
Watermelon.
Watermelon? Is it water or melon, or is it both? Watermelon? All right. Okay. Come on, put your signs up high. Don't cover your face. Thank you. All right. And last one is the loser. Don't cover your face, Marlson.
Huh?
All right. So what did you think is in your box?
Pineapple.
Huh?
Thinking that too.
Okay. Pineapple. All right.
I was
Keep that up. Keep that up. All right. So, on the first round, Elston, you passed. Your answer was correct. The second one, Mars, congratulations. You got him right. And third, I'm sorry, Marlson.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What is it?
watermelon.
Huh?
Watermelon.
What is it?
Oh, was that grape? Let me get one.
Oh, go and eat it.
Okay.
Can I eat it?
I have watermelon.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
What is it?
Nine.
No, not yet, not yet. Hold on your horse. Hold on your horses.
Oh.
This one is gonna be hard. It's gonna be
I
hard.
think I know one.
All right, Marlson. You seem to be the first one that finished early. So, what is your answer, boy?
Orange.
What is your answer?
Orange.
Okay. All right, moving on to the second one. Who came in for second? Was it Elston? All right, Elston, what's your answer?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay. And you, Mars?
Melon.
Melon? What do you mean by melon? Huh?
Cantaloupe.
No. Cantaloupe?
Yeah.
Is that your answer or
I have no
melon?
answer.
Huh?
I have no answer.
Okay. Oh. All right. So, the first one was Marlson. Congratulations, Marlson. You got it right. All right. And Elston. What was your answer, Elston?
Watermelon.
Okay. I am so sorry. All right, and Mars, yes, you got it right. All right. You guys want to take a look at what you have there? How can you miss that, Elston? All right. All right, we're on the third round right now. Okay, go ahead and see what you got in the box. Yep.
Oh, I know what is this. I know.
Okay. Good job. Are you ready? Yeah. Go ahead. Take off your mask. All right. Okay, y'all ready? Okay. Okay. So, Elston, what is your answer?
Rice.
Rice? Okay. All right, moving on to the second one. Marlson, what do you think that was?
Apple.
Huh?
Apple.
Apple? All right, thank you. And you?
Grape.
Grape?
Yeah.
All right. So, the first one. Good job, Elston. You got it right. The second one. I'm sorry, but you got it right too. Good job. And thirdly, oh boy, that was tough, was it?
No.
Okay, yeah, you got it right. All right. So, yep.
We all got it right.
You guys all got them right. All right, we're on the last round.
Finally.
Now be careful because this one, it's it could be a prank or I don't know what to say, but
Oh, Dad, you're making me scared.
it could be something live. Oh, don't move because I don't want it to growl. I mean, I don't want it to fall out or.
I'm jumping everywhere.
All right. Oh, wait. Let me. I'm gonna cover it so it doesn't fall out. All right, let's go. Go ahead. Take it slow.
Where is it?
Take it slow. Take it slow.
Ah! I touched it.
Come on. Come on. Marlon, what are you doing? No. Come on. Marlon.
Don't be scared, Mom.
Don't be scared, Marlon.
It feels furry.
No. Furry? Furry? What are you talking about? Come on.
Furry.
Mom, just do it.
Come
right
on.
now.
Do it for your fans, Marlon. What are you doing? Put your hand in there and leave it, all three of you.
Take my hand.
Hurry
Yeah,
up.
you have to hold on to it, Marlon, so you know what it is. This is, remember, I still need to ask you what it is, so
Got it.
come on. Come on, Elston. Marlon. Okay, yeah, hold on to it. Okay, just hold on to it. Don't move it. Okay, don't move it, okay? With one hand, with the other hand, take off your mask. Alright? Don't look at anything, come on.
Okay.
What do you think, Morris?
Donut.
Donut?
Yeah.
Elston?
Eggs and spam?
Spam, okay. Marlson? You think it's mustard?
Yeah.
Alright, Marlson, that's your turn. Yeah. Yes, you guys come out and see what it's called. That's the real thing. Yuck.
That's
Yuck.
baby's diapers. Ew. Ew. Ew, baby's food. Ew.
Was it mustard?
That's baby's food. Oh. Why do you think that's a real thing, Marlos? I just put a little bit of mustard so you won't
thing.
tell what it is. But that's real food. Look at yourself. Ah, look at that.
Alright guys, thank you for watching our video and check out our other prank videos. And don't forget to subscribe.
Like this video and comment below.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and that was
See you next time.
what's in the box. And make sure, don't forget to like and share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe. And of course, you can go ahead and tell your friends, your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your wife, your husband, even your dog, your cat, your horse, whatever you have. Just tell them to subscribe to our
Hot
channel.
dog.
Alright, see you next time.
Your rice.
Peace.